In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart for system design. If you're ready to create insightful and easy to understand system diagrams, following along with this guide will have you designing like a pro in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Lucidchart homepage. Simply open your web browser, go to Lucidchart's website, and if you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is your launching pad for creating new diagrams and designs. Next, let's create a new document. On the home page, look for the New button. This is your gateway to starting from scratch or accessing Lucidchart's diverse array of templates. Clicking New will present you with various options, including the chance to dive directly into any of Lucidchart's robust applications. Now, hover over the Lucidchart icon. This will ensure you're selecting the right tool for creating system designs. Lucidchart is specifically tailored for diagramming needs, making it the ideal platform for this task. You'll see options appear that provide a variety of templates or blank canvases to choose from. Clicking on Create from Template is our next step. This option is a great time saver and offers predefined structures tailored to your needs, which can significantly simplify the process of setting up complex diagrams. If you're unsure where to start, templates offer an excellent foundation. When the templates page opens up, you'll be presented with a selection window full of options. To narrow these down, utilize the search bar located at the top. Type in System Design to filter the templates and find the one that best fits your project's needs. This is where you can explore various designs specifically curated for system design projects. Once you've explored the options, choose a template that aligns with your project goals. Hover over each thumbnail to preview them and make a selection. When you find the one that speaks to your objectives, merely click on it to proceed. After clicking, you'll be prompted with the option to Use Template. Selecting this will open the chosen template in a new window where all the customization magic happens. This template serves as your canvas for adding, modifying, and organizing various elements of your system design. On the left side of the workspace, you'll notice a variety of tools and features designed to facilitate edits. This is your creative control center where you can start customizing the template to suit your specific design requirements. Use these tools to adjust shapes, add connectors, and personalize the layout of your system diagram. Continue refining and adjusting the template until it represents your ideal design. By iterating on your system's layout, you'll move closer to a professional diagram that effectively communicates the complexities and intricacies of your design. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're well equipped to harness the power of Lucidchart for crafting detailed, functional system designs that can elevate your projects to new heights. Happy designing!